Welcome to MaxScene, how to add post effects to your scene. First of all, go to your main camera and either add a component of Augment PP or drag it through the project. In it you will see a couple of tabs: anti-aliasing, controls the anti-aliasing, bloom, film grain, vignette, and color correction. Let's take a look at the anti-aliasing tab. The sample buffer size is the quality of the anti-aliasing, and the filter dim and the focus are a unique feature that allows you to refocus an unfocused anti-aliaser. Second tab is Bloom. In Bloom you have quality settings of high, low, and very low for mobiles. The threshold is when the bloom will start showing. As you can see, the parts of the bloom effects are the more shiny location, and bloom intense will determine how much shiny it will be. And bloom knee and radius will determine the hue, the radius of how much farther away from that component it will actually shine. The third tab is film grain. Who remembers the old TV effect? That's basically it. You have different options here to toggle and play. The fourth option is vignette. Vignette allows you to create nice border effect. You can change the colors and so on, making different kind of effects for your game or for your showcase. Color correction tab changes the colors and the saturation of the current picture. This saturation basically creates it more gray. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.